Tiny, tight, naughty, bright, colors dance in the light. Hands create, weaving night under stars of the night. Loop and pull, threads unite, patterns fall in our sight. Every twist, every bite turns into pure delight. Tangled threads come alive, magic knots we contrive. With each step we revive, art of strings in our hive. Start anew from the end, every strand has a bend. Tie the knots that transcend our new craft and new friend. Count the loops, do it true. Red and blue next to blue. Follow steps, make it through. Nodding dreams, all brand new. Tangled threads in our hands, friendship born in these strands. Weaving dreams, making plans, colors spread through the land. Tangled threads come alive, magic knots we contrive. With each step we revive, art of strings in our hive. Start anew from the end, every strand has a bend. Tie the knots that transcend, art of strings in our hive. Start anew from the end, every strand has a bend. Tie the knots that transcend, art of strings in our hive. Start anew from the end, every strand has a bend. Tie the knots that transcend, our new craft and new friend. Tiny, tight, naughty, bright, colors dance in the light. Hands create, weaving night under stars of